Hello Bladers. Google Maps is developed by Google that offers a web mapping service and GPS service for our designated drivers. It provides street maps, aerial photography, satellite imagery, real-time traffic conditions, 360 degrees panoramic views of streets, and route planning for traveling by bicycle, car, public transportation, air or even on foot. Which is pretty much convenient. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. What Google Maps can do for you. Google Map can provide transportation directions in a particular place, including the details that come with the different methods. Creates maps that the user can access if he or she feels like they cannot locate a certain area and that they seem lost. It will allow you to determine the distance of your current location to any particular point on the map. This function enables users to plan their travels and organize their schedules. Looking for your location, especially if it is unknown to you. It is a great feature that can save you from getting lost. Set routes the preferred way if you already have specific routes in mind. Traffic information is the kryptonite of every driver, and they all know how frustrating it is to be stuck in traffic jams. Good thing Google Maps can help you search for better routes. Verbal instructions, which is more seamless since some drivers and users are unaware that they can simply instruct Google Maps about the place they want to go. Location sharing can either be for informing your colleagues, friends, and family of your location. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.